Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to contact Wix Support. First, in your search bar, type wix.com/contact, then press enter. And from here, we will choose a topic about the problem we encounter. I'll choose Wix stores. And then we will choose a topic here to continue. I'll choose add Wix stores. And then if you are not yet satisfied with the answer, there's a question here if your problem has been solved. You can type here no. If your problem has not been solved, then click send. And then they will connect you to their customer care expert. But you need to select first the site that you need help. Here I will choose this website. And then after that, you can request a callback from their expert. Okay, that's it guys, how to contact Wix Support. Thank you for watching this video and keep following for more video tips.